All right, my people, una welcome back onto this channel. This one na another one where they reach our table now. My brother, my sister, na only the good Lord na him go help us. No be small something. No, this one they happen for Ologolo Babagba. Na him be the name of the area. Now, my brother, my sister, Kasala don burst for that area, and all the people for that area don't come outside. They don't they pray for their life. In fact, Baba God do. Now your hand over there. Now wetin really happen for that village? Now here we want tell una. So the people come outside. They say they just wake up and they come see say plenty cow just they come they pie for their domoti. You don't hear that kind of thing before? Plenty cow come dey kpai from their domoti, and then according to the news wey dey reach us, dem say that area say na Fulani people na dem get that area, say na Fulani people full that area. But how come all this cow go come carry themselves come dey kpai for we area? Na him make the people come outside. They come dey check say wetin fit cause am, wetin happen wey be say all this Fulani cow come dey kpai for their own domoto. Now the people come check, they come discover say all this cow been don go one area go chop wetin dem dey call that majele. They don go chop majele for one place, come chop and finish. Where dem go chop majele different from where they come dey kpai put. And you know wetin that kind thing mean? When Fulani cow come dey kpai for your domot, the next thing be say the Fulani people then go wan kpai the people wey dey there. And all of us know as these Fulani people they do. We know wetin dem they do. We know their character. Say as this kind thing don't happen, because these Fulani people don't talk am before. Say one cow na 50 human being they go use am kpai. My brother, my sister, na him make all the people where they stay for that Ologolo Babagba for Oyo State, for Ibadan to be precise. Now there these people there, and as soon as they see and this man when na the same picture, so now he come outside, come dey yarn this one. Say abeg o, hey, make all the police make them come outside. Make Amotekun. In fact, na Amotekun name this man they shout. Say make they help also. Say because these people they not go take them easy at all. Because before you know what thing go they happen now, they go they start to the kpai people. And then with another news where they reach us, they say all the people where they the area don't they carry their load, they run because nobody want buy. Which kind thing be this? The area where we say now there you dey where be say you dey do everything for your life, where they manage yourself, feed the chop, where you want come make these people come go now go they find food. My brother, my sister, this thing where they happen for this our obodo Yoruba, e no good at all. This thing where they happen for our obodo Nigeria, e no good at all. How long we want continue to dey do this kind thing to ourselves? And the thing we can they pay us pass be say these people go come from their own region. You can imagine. Then go come for their own region, come our region, come see they dominate us. Another thing we even be say we can they pain everybody. Now him be the thing where these people they do. We be say then go then go come our farm, then go carry all our crop, carry all their cow, go there, make them chopulate everything. After they don't chopulate everything, when you go say you complaining, you see that they give you shot 1, or they give you shot 2, or they give you shot 4. After, if they no fit give you any shot, they go carry you go police station, say make them lock you for there. And if God won't come help you, maybe say now you first reach there, go report them. The police where they there go still lock you for them. Who does that? This kind thing no fit happen for East though. This kind thing no fit happen for their side though. But now then they do this thing every day by day to the people of Yoruba. Now these Yoruba people now waiting they won't come do, because these people will come outside now the area they say now Ologolo Babagba now there the place be for election law year. Say the Fulani people where they stay that area, say them plenty. Now they don't they think of waiting they won't do this woman being. These people don't come outside say all this their cow where they kpai where they where can they kpai for their domot. Say no be them kpai them o. Now where dem go chop imajele. Then go one place go chop imajele. From there they come our side come they kpai. Where they for chop the majele different from where they come they buy. Now they come poop to big trouble for our head. Now the people don't they shout to say, I beg you, make una help us shout to our governor Seyi Makinde, they make him do something about this thing before these people start to they buy us. Say because we don't get any other place to go. And then they come the beg say some people feel they say you no consign us. After all my people know they the area. Say I beg you, make una no do like that. Say make una remember say everybody, all of us will be human being. Hey yeah, na there for content say hey yeah, na true. Everybody be human being. If it happen to anybody, say let us be our brother's keeper according to wetin oyibo man talking. Let us be our brother's keeper. I beg you, these people they beg you say make una help us to call the governor, make una help us call Amotekun, make they come do their work before these people go start to dey kpai them. My brother, my sister, no be small something no. As it stand like this, so everybody don't come they call on anybody where they think call. Now some people come they say if you get any family member for that area, tell them say make them they come out one by one. Say because these people make you no be saying at midnight then go come they give everybody short slave. No be smart you know. When they come they give you short slave, they give you short leg, my brother. Which kind thing be this? No wonder the people don't they shout say it no better make we just go our ways, our separate ways, because this thing where they happen we don't know how long it go they happen. You come from your own region, come my region, we won't come they dominate. No be small something my people. Now so the people come they say I beg you, make na quick call all these people where then they call Amotekun, make them quick day here. See, they even know say if Amotekun fit come, things will go better. Because these people, by the time they start their gbege now, they know they look back, and they with the fear. Because these people, them first like to they start with the shortest level. After they don't give you shortest level, the next thing will be shorty leg. Now waiting, they reach our table now, be this so. Where I can't say make a coin yano now because this thing make you no go pass it. Be careful now. It make us quickly they come outside. These people don't only God know where the people where they stay for the area go there now because everybody come they cry. Say I beg you, make them help us call Chief Sunday Igbowo. Hey, Chief Sunday Igbowo, this man don't try well. But wetin we go do, my brother, my sister, na I can't say make a carry come give una, make una know wetin dey happen, wetin our people they face. Baba God, na your hand with them. Now so it be unto this one, my people. Make una they remember to subscribe to this channel if na your first time be this. Alright, now bye for now.